Welcome to Webidex. What is SEO? Everything about SEO. In today's video, let's talk about everything search engine optimization SEO. The basic concept of search engine optimization is referred to as SEO simply. SEO is what we need to do to get our website listed as the first result on a search engine's first page. In other words, search engine optimization is the process of modifying website settings so that search engines can find our pages. SEO can be categorized into three main parts: as on-page SEO, off-page SEO, and technical SEO. Why is SEO important? 1. The main importance of SEO is the ability to bring visitors or organic traffic to our webpage from search engines. 2. By doing SEO, we can get a target audience to our website, which means if our website is about Samsung smartphones, those who like Samsung smartphones will come to us from the search engine. Anyone who runs any website needs a target audience. In there also, those who are doing business are special. For business owners, a target audience is the most crucial factor in attracting visitors who are interested in their product or service to their website, because it is from these people that the company may make a sale. 3. Often people who do business and affiliate marketing try to bring visitors to their website via paid ads. However, there is no need to pay for this. You will be able to rise in the ranks over time once your website is developed to optimize the search engine. So, there are numerous factors to consider when it comes to SEO. 4. Ability to increase your online income. Not only business, affiliate marketing, but also people who expect to earn from ad networks such as AdSense have the potential to move towards higher revenue. Because more than 3.5 billion things are searched on Google alone in a day. That's about 40,000 per second. Google search engine owns about 90% of the worldwide search engine's market share. That means about 90% of internet users use the Google search engine. This is why, when it comes to SEO, we should prioritize Google. There are a few SEO terms that you should be familiar with. There are words that are used in relation to a subject as you learn them, so if you do not understand these words properly, some things will not be understood properly. Here are a few words like that. A few words used in SEO that you need to know the meaning. 1. Organic traffic. Here the number of visitors to the website is referred to as traffic. Organic traffic refers to visitors who come to your website as a result of the page ranking in search engines. The visitor is the people who come and search. 2. Keyword. Any word or phrase that is searched for various purposes in a search engine can be referred to as a keyword. Also, sometimes referred to as search terms. Best Samsung mobile phones, SEO tutorial, YouTube. 3. Rankings. This simply refers to rankings of your web page or website in search engines. 4. SERP means search engine results page. Web pages containing the results of what you search for in the search engine. 5. Impressions. The number of times your website is displayed in the SERP. 6. Meta title and description. Title and description of one of the results which shows in the SERP. 7. Organic CTR. Simply refers to click-through rate, the percentage of number of clicks of the result that displayed in the SERP. For example, if 100 people see your website in the SERP and 5 of them click and visit the website, your organic CTR will be 5%. 8. Bounce rate. This means to the percentage of visitors who visit your web pages and leave from the same page. For example, if 100 people visit your homepage and 60 people leave the same web page, your bounce rate is 60%. Decrease of this value can be described as a good thing. 9. Search intent. This refers to the intent of a user who searched something in a search engine, maybe to find information, make a purchase, or find an answer to the simple question. 10. Algorithm. A program that uses search engines to determine where a web page should be ranked. An algorithm contains hundreds of factors. Perhaps most of them are not made public. 11. Backlink. There are two types of backlinks such as internal links and external links. Internal links are links from one page to another on the same website, and external links are links from one webpage of a website to another webpage of another website. 12. Domain authority. Domain authority is a metric that predicts how likely a website will be in the search engine rankings. The Moz company was the one who came up with this. Each website has a score ranging from 0 to 100. The maximum good level is 100. Even if the DA is high, this does not guarantee that the site will be ranked in the search engines. However, quality content and backlinks, as well as trustworthiness, have an impact on improving DA. PA page authority is the metric that use only for URL of this. 13. DR domain rating. This is a metric that, like Moz, this is also a metric that predicts how likely a website will be ranked in the search engine rankings. Ahrefs was the one who came up with this. Like Moz itself, every website gets a value from 0 to 100 in this one too. Backlinks play a significant role in enhancing DR. URL rating is a metric that only applies to URLs. 14. White hat SEO. SEO using the ethical SEO tactics used to rank Google. Google prefers white hat SEO methods. 15. Black hat SEO. Although these methods can be used to get quick results, Google does not like it. If Google's algorithm is caught, your website will receive a Google penalty for using black hat SEO methods. Penalty is like a penalty given by Google. It's a very unfavorable situation. The future of the website is not so good. In today's video we discussed what is SEO, why SEO is important, and 15 technical terms that you should know when it comes to basics of SEO. So, I think that's enough for today, and think you learned something new today. In the next video, we will discuss on how do search engines work, and what an SEO strategy is. So, stay tuned with us to learn new things about digital world. And if you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell as well. Then you will not miss our latest videos. So, see you in the next video. Have a good day.